Someone sent me this cool thank you card, so I want to show you how to make this pattern. You can see it's a hexagon. We have a star inside of it. And let's go ahead and create it. As usual, we're going to start with a circle. Have your compass and point at the same length. And draw your first circle. Now we can put the point of our compass here on top and draw a circle where the circle that we first drew touches the circle we just made right here. We're going to put our point, draw another circle. And so, as most of you know, 6 circles will fit perfectly around a circle. That's how you get that hexagonal shape. Now with real compass work, you typically go a bit slower. You go for accuracy, not for speed. And so we're going to work with just the inside here. So what we're going to do is we're first going to connect the edges of the hexagon. So that's our starting hexagon. We can see here, let's say we use this one. Now we need to do a couple of quick things. So we want to make star design inside of it. So in order to do that, we're going to want to find halfway. And so one way we can do that is if we first draw the lines top to the bottom going through the seed, left and right, diagonally. We're going to want to find the middle here. So the way we can do that, we can line up this vertex and this vertex and put a little line there. Do the same thing down here. So as you can see, the star goes down and then goes to the center. So let's make that center first. We're going to go from this center to this center. The line is nice and straight. And we're going to do that for all 3 of them. Oh, but it looks like I missed this one here. Let's quickly find it. Okay, and now we see we want the point of the star. So in order to do that, we're going to connect from here to the center. So in order to find the center, we have these seeds right here, here, and here. If we line it up here and here, or here to the center, we'll find the middle. Right here, here, and these 2 here, here. Now again, if we're doing real compass work, I would probably be double and triple checking that I'm being as accurate as possible. And so now I'm going to make my connections. So I'm going to rotate my paper a bit. Since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing down here. Looks like we made the Mitsubishi sign here. Now let's do these. So thinking about the Mitsubishi sign, one thing to consider is that we use geometry in making logos. And I think we oftentimes use that to make something look appealing to the eye. I think geometry is naturally appealing. So now we're going to go in between each of the stars. And we're going to draw some lines there. And we're going to do the same thing here. And so here's our design. Now, if we wanted to continue this and tessellate it or have it repeating, I could just continue making this circle here, 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 and here around it and spread out. So where I left off here, I'll make sure my pencil's still touching the center. I'm going to concentrate on this spot right here. And I'm going to go around this circle. So where it intersects, I'll do another one. So now I have, really what I want to do is go one entire circle out here. So let's actually build this circle.